My camera should be hooked up. Hmm, it's not working. That's interesting. I'm wondering what it is. There you go. Funny stuff. Anyway, so we're gonna well, let me close this first. I did, and we're just gonna use that to get some practice in. What would I do? Which one of these ideas? Let's do a. We'll just do a website for construction. That sound right? That sound good? Sure, let's try it out. Well, this is day one. Like I said, I did. Hope I got an update. Uh, do it later. So as you know, coding wise, I'm going through the 100 Devs program. Uh, my name's Ben. This is Ben Codes. Thank you all for joining me. Yeah. So just get right into it. I'm gonna pull up a template because I don't necessarily like starting from scratch. If the music's too loud or something, y'all let me know. Um, Let me see. Do 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 do. Hold on, matter of fact, I can do it this way. I'm gonna close this folder though. Where did I save it? Template isn't gonna have anything in it, so or at least it shouldn't. It should be blank. Ah, this one I was doing something else. Anyway, gonna delete all of this. Oh, you header and all that. Wait a second. Didn't get the header. Cool, cool, cool. On the wall, that space is there, but that's on. There you go. I might have. Oh, I didn't add any styles. All right, awesome, awesome. So it's as blank gets. And that's what I'm be getting into. We will start with uh, close that. Excuse me. For a construction website. Okay, let's go grab an idea. See what the normal ones look like. Construction websites. Yep. Parking building companies. What they look like. I'm not doing all the fancy stuff. I like this. This looks like they transition to a different picture. This looks like a blueprint in the back, if I could see that right. Oh, okay. They got a video in the back. Ooh, ooh, if you can dream it. Wait a second. And it transitions. Ooh, that's neat. I'm not doing that. We're gonna do a like a basic layout. I do like this. Okay, this would be JavaScript. I would believe. Yeah, interact with these, and so it changes. Yep. Cool, cool. Wonder what this looks like in a mobile. Do. Mobile. Doesn't look mobile. I want to pick one. Let's try the Galaxy 5. I dig it. How do I close it though? Close it. It still does the transition stuff. It's cool. This is 344. That's neat. I think this is using positioning, I believe. I'm not too sure. Um, However, I do like this. Alright, so we'll do. Wait, I didn't do that. No. Let's look at another one. Okay. This is simpler. I get that. I get that. I get that. Cool. This ain't too bad. I'm probably gonna make like a faux, kind of like a fake version of that. I do like that. Latest news. Blah 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 stuff at the bottom. Footer essentially. Alright, cool, cool, cool. So what we'll do, we'll build something similar to this. It's called construction.com. That's dope. So you get rid of that. The tab. I like it. We'll do it. Alright, let's get started. I'm just gonna put to start with the HTML first. I'm just gonna put because I'm curious. I wonder if this is, that's not the nav. This is something else. I guess again, I don't know what you call it. I'm interested. I guess it'll find someplace local to you. Hmm. Anyway, I'm not gonna be bugging on that. Do 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 do. Well, let's just put a header. A section. That'll be this one. This section here. More space between them. This is going to be a small section. Small section. Section. Okay. There's 6 of these. Cool. I can manage that, I think. Section. Another section. But man, there's a lot of sections in there. Like yes and no. And this is a footer. I'm gonna call it a footer. If it isn't, it will be. There you go. I'm not afraid to write bad code. Might as well be using it. This is an icon or picture. Yeah, this is a logo and it's clickable. I'm assuming it brings you right back to the home page. It's dope. I'm not too keen on knowing how to do drop downs, but guess what? I guess I'm learning today. Oh, okay, cool. I'm learning today. In the, uh, in the header, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make this the header, right? Now I figure out what I'm gonna do. I don't know yet. Just make a comment. Um, customer. I don't know. Customer. I don't know. What would I call that? Outreach. I don't know. Just name it that. Right. For the header, we'll do a math AOL because it's unordered LI. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just do 5. That's 4. That's 5. Cool. Alright, let's put that in cap. Professions. Solutions. Wow. Resources. About. Alright, projects. We can do it like that. Mm-hmm. Alright. Let me see. Let me see. I don't know. What would you guys build in this case, or what would you do with it? And I mean, put it in the comments. Like, what do you call this up here? Just a section? If there's a term for it, by all means. If there's a tag for it, that'd be cool too. But if there isn't, and it's, I guess, another header or something, or just a section, that's cool too. Y'all let me know. Yeah, section determine importance. Latest news. That's probably testimonials. That's important. Connecting decision makers. That's important. Actionable data. All those things. Smarter project. I think that's the most important. So make it an H1. Um, project Intel. I'm trying to remember. How do you? I think it's BR. Yeah, you break to the next line. Is there a way I could actually do that instead? Yeah, sure. I'm aware of that. You can do it in CSS. I'm just gonna break it right here. So there's a button in here. Oh, I use span. Should I use span? I'll use span. Bump it. Find. Oh, it's in all caps. Oop. What am I doing? Find projects, and then there's a symbol there. I wonder. Say okay. If you want to know how I did that just now, it's if you're on Windows, it's the Windows button and period. Let me see. I'll bump it. I'll do all the finishing touches on the end. But I got that. Cool. This is a background image, so that goes in the spaces. But for right now, just lay out the front, or at least put the text up in. I'm not gonna call this one. Bang. Hero works. Hero section. Learn. Let me see. Learn about dodge. Ew. I just noticed that. Okay. Nope. 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 About dodge. And this is section cool. Of course, they want to know how it works. So that's gonna be an H2. See how dodge works for you. Oh, that's here. Some beneath that. I'm trying to think, what is a block? It's cool. Um, discover data. Yes, you can, son. If you see my son, he just asks for snacks. Oh, the market. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And if y'all hear a squeaking noise, that's it's this. I do like little doodads and whatnot. So yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, back to where we were at. These are images. Oh, okay. What am I gonna do with those? I wonder. I'll make it simple. I'll just make it simple right now. I'm just going to use. Ooh, I guess I should have it more well thought out, but I do not. And I picked this last minute. So what I am going to do is should I make 6 sections? Or should I make an UL? Bump it. We're gonna make it UL. Alright, big man. Wait, did I do 6? That's 5. Okay, that's 6. If you want to put a picture, that's probably what I should have done beforehand, but that's cool. 8. Didn't mean to do that. There you go. Wow, can't spell today. I'm really on one. I can't type today, rather. Should I break these LIs up? Or to put a span in? Where would I put the words? I wonder. Hmm. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'll do it later. Some more trickery. Oh, that one. Yep. Oh, I know I'm gonna need an image. Wow, Andrea. And I know how to do it on a bunch of on multiple lines, and I'm still not doing that. Okay, cool. Now, let's get into it. Matter of fact, hold on. All of them start from back then. So, no. Yup. 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 One more. Almost missed the one. Image. Cool. And put a span. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ain't no way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I don't know why I end up counting sometimes, but it's usually happening. Our architects. Architects. I do know you can encode it. You can use encoded stuff. I think it's like an M dash. What is it? I could look. I could look it up later. Architects building product Fashion, overview. Service providers. Sub contractors. Nothing. Suppliers. I don't know if the music's too loud for you guys, but if it is, I wouldn't think it is. Well, I'll put it more in the background. See if that helps. Maybe it's too low now, but I mean, shoot, y'all just let me know, and we'll see. We will see. All right, cool, cool. Next part. How about those? Okay, cool. Section. Actionable data. On the nose, yep. Sometimes it's good just to really just be on the nose. Let me see. That is actionable data. Level of importance. See, I know it's works for you. Actionable data. I think that's pretty just as important, honestly. So, did that. Did that. I did that wrong. Spelled that wrong. Let me see. P, because it looks like a paragraph to me. Accurate market until to drive stronger to find new opportunities throughout the construction project life cycle. I've seen that word more than a little bit as of late. Let me see. Then there's a button. It's going to be a span. Connect today. It's in all caps. I know you can do that in CSS. You can just make it all caps. I'm not going through all that. I'm just going to make it all caps right now. See, there's an icon up here. Mm-hmm. Okay. On the nose again. Let's do it. Um, Making decision maker section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They really like that. You know what? You know what I've been doing wrong? Not building mobile first. Good thing I didn't start yes, I did a layout, but I didn't actually make it mobile first. Okay, so boom, boom. See how much changes. Yeah, Doge works for you. It's still there. They still have an image below that. Let's see. Market. I don't know. I don't know. That's right. Yep, yep, that works. Keep that list separate. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. One, one. Yep. Two. Okay, cool. They have an imager source with an alt. Connecting decision makers. I think that's is that as important as everything else? Hmm. I don't think so. So, decision makers. Does it seem a little bit redundant? A little bit. A little bit. Paragraph. Delivers the most accurate and comprehensive. To help you strategically and connect with the project's people and projects. Alrighty. Of course, I mistyped here. People, firms. Okay, cool. And then here they have UL. They look different here. That's cool because I can just make media queries. If I sound a little iffy to y'all, is mainly because well I hurt my back. Being silly is what it was. No, it wasn't playing kids. It was more so of rearranging furniture. As to how that happened. I digress. I digress. So we started doing this for now. Hey, if y'all want to catch me live, y'all can catch me live in the Discord. I do have a Discord. Um, I'm also gonna do a review. Like there's a super review. In 100 devs, and so I plan on whenever I'm doing stuff like not streaming. I'm not sure how that would work here, so I'll be in the Discord, um, going through the material side by side with the video plan. So it should pop up. Apparently it isn't. Okay, cool. So I didn't even know I was still in the voice chat. That is so interesting. How did I even manage that? Anyway, put it here. No, I don't have Nightbot set up, but I should, and I will. I just don't have it now. Anyway, I made all these changes on it and save. Now to save. Cool. I want to go through the UL, LI. Should be about six of them. There's a simpler way to do this, I'm aware. I just don't recall it right now. So, these even clickable? Let me see. Yeah, yeah, they look clickable. See if they take you someplace. They do. So what should I put them in? Should I have done? Oh, nah. I don't care. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make all of these anchor tags. Anchor tags. Anchor tags. And I have to make these LIs look like blocks, but it's fine. I can do it like that, just like I did the other ones. That would be my beautiful wife just getting home. Hey, gorgeous. Okay. Could I be making this more difficult? Probably. Not sure. You're beautiful. Doing good. Streaming.
Oh,
You fine. I know you didn't. You don't pay no attention. You alright. Mm. You know this song? E-I-E-I-O. From McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. 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 on real quick. Everyone, I got something to take care of real quick. Alrighty, I'm back. Let's see, blue book. Do I really want to do it like that? I don't know. We'll find out. I don't put a paragraph in here. Wait, why is I got my caps on? I did not mean to do that. H4, H4, paragraph. Directory and what is everybody doing today? Um, if you're in IT, like I mean, tell me what do you do? What do you know? How did you get there? Not too many spaces here. Simplify. Interestingly enough, I really thought I'd misspell more. Construction pros. Construction pros. Active. In the buying and hiring process. Management process. Build. Engage. Commercial. Spell directory. Digital comprehensive. Alright, cool, 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 cool. Next one. Next one up. I'll make all of these H4s. Okay. I'll make all of them H4s. Since that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, and all of them got a P tag or paragraph tag. So let's do it. Let's do it. DCC. Don't know what that means. Win more work. They sound like they do government contracting. Or maybe not just government, but probably government and city and C. RFP, request for proposal, or uh, request for proposal and request for. I forgot what the Q stands for. It's cool though. Query, something like that. I don't know. IMS. So I guess that's what they do, which is cool. IMS. Notice of see, I said that. Like corporate contracts as well. That's awesome. Infineers. Oh man, that's funny. Management. Do 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 do. Sweet. I mean, what would y'all do in this instant? Um, as far as how would you arrange these? Instead of LIs, would you do sections or whatever? Y'all let me know. Allergies real bad. PM objects and more to assist. Okay, cool. Advisory. Does anybody here do government contracting or something like that? Or in construction? That'd be awesome. Like, tell me your journey. What all that even is like. I don't even come from that. Um, I've worked in like factories and such. So salting analytics. Okay, cool. Advisory, and this would be um, business intelligence. Being a father and a husband definitely is an interesting journey, especially when it comes to raising kids and stuff like that. Truth be told, like it's a beautiful thing, um, and I love it. Being married to my wife, that is, it can be a terrible thing. I've heard based on who you choose to marry. So I guess be careful out there for when you do your. I guess you could think about it like hiring a person. Like who are you hiring for the role of being your spouse or whatever? Um, you pick the best person that you could be happy and stuff like that with, goals and all. Da, 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 da. How customers say it best. Testimonials. Hmm. That's a little odd. However, what I am going to do is, honestly, I'm about to change the, in 1 second, I'm about to change I'm going to change it from, was it just a lo-fi? Instead of just a, Lofi Girl, it's the, hip hop radio beats to study to. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it to Lo-Fi Girls. I think it's synthwave. Synthwave. I really like that one. That's live. And it's dope. I'll, I'll put it here in the comments. Or in the chat. I mean, it's really the only two. They're the only two playlists I listen to, and I'll stream for real. And code. If it's anything else, it's generally going to be a whole bunch of it's going to be, I'm gonna get easily distracted, so there's pretty much why. And it being in silence is nerve wracking. So, okay. Our customers say it best. It's testimonials today. Bump that. I'll do it like that. Yeah, I'll do it like that. Customers say it best. Boom. Testimonials. I'm only gonna take two, and I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not even gonna dress this up. Hold on. So I'm forgetting again. Oh, yeah, I'm forgetting again. Our customers say it best. Yeah, you will. Ally. I'll just make the one. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. Latest news. And I didn't say which one this would be, but I know it's testimonials. Testimonials. Make sure I save. Got it. Now. How important would that be? H3, I think. Latest news. Guess it'd be like the top story. So more than likely, I'm just gonna make that a section in a section, section. Yeah, do it like that. I'll just do H3. 7% in December. Out of that will be a UL. ULI. There is 4, and then there's a button that says more news. Ew. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm not. Yeah, I'll just stick to this. 4. Go next. Span. Ooh, Japan. Tab. There you go. And below this is a button. Span. All news. I can do December twice. Oh, oh, it's in all caps. Hmm. 1.5%. 1% in November. These look like IPO stuff. I thought it's like 7% in October. Alright, alright, alright. Guess I should have labeled this like uh, building a construction website. I'll probably do that after. Button, did that. That section's over. Now this is the footer. This is probably a section of its own, maybe. Not quite. Not quite, but I'm gonna leave that alone. And for right now, I know I've probably been over an hour now. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. What's gonna happen is after this, I am going to finish up and then start on the CSS, and that'll be tomorrow. So thank you all for tuning in or just checking by or stopping by. If you want to know more about me, you can go to the day zero. I appreciate it. Um, in the meantime, peace.